What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the camera woman from Skibidi Toilet. Let's begin today's lesson on the top left side of our page and draw a large oval for the front of the head. We'll start from the very top of the middle, all the way down towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Let's trace that oval along the inside, starting from the top. It's going to leave a thin trim all the way around, and then back up. Let's add a small oval in the center. And then we'll surround the outside with smaller ovals. Starting from the top, draw one, come directly down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Let's add one on either side. And now we're going to add one more in between each of those ovals. Let's trace the top half of that oval along the outside, but we're going to shift this over towards the left. So from the center, step out, we go up towards the top, come across. Now this is going to be a little bit closer on the right side, coming down towards the same height. Now from the bottom, I'm just going to angle this down and then in, go to the right, just going to slope this all the way across towards the back of the head to right about there. Let's go up to the top. Angle is down with that same angled line to right about here. And it's going to round out the back, going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's place that antenna along the top. Start with two straight lines going up. Round out the top. Step down and add a trim. Now along the top of that oval, we're going to draw that same angled line. I'm just going to tuck this in behind the hood. Let's go down to the bottom, draw that same angle line to right about there. Let's draw a small oval along the end, going up and then back down. And then from the top and bottom, I'm just going to slope this towards the back, to right about there. Do the same thing across the bottom. Close off the back with a curve. Now from the back corner of the hood, we're going to step in, bend this down, and then in. Now underneath, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down across the neck. And we're going to overlap a curve. On the outside, bend this down and across, and then up. Let's tuck this in along the back. Now from the outside of the collar, draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll bend this out along the bottom towards the bottom of the coat. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the top of the collar. We're going to start on the top left, bend this out and then down. Now underneath on the right side, we're going to do the same thing. Draw a straight angle line coming in towards the inside of the coat. Now I'm going to step up, draw the bottom half of the collar coming down and out. I'm going to bend this down and then in towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the coat, going out and then up. Let's draw a straight angle line going up and in towards the hip. And we'll bend this out and then up around the collar. Let's add two buttons on either side. Starting on the left, we'll add a circle, step down, draw that again. Do the same thing on the right. Now along the top, we're going to add the edge of the belt. Curve down and then up, step down, and draw that again. Let's leave a gap in the center and draw two lines. And they'll trace the inside of the buckle. Let's go all the way back up to the top and draw two straight angle lines coming in towards the center of the body, and then come straight down towards the buckle. Let's add two small buttons on the right side of that center line. From the buckle, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up towards the left, and then the right side. And then from the outside, we're going to curve the top of the foot. We want to go up. Let's bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we just want to curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side, going in the opposite direction, coming down, and we'll curl that back up. Now we're going to go back up underneath the coat and draw the outside of the leg. I'm just going to bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Now I want to show that this coat wraps around the leg, so along the top, I'm just going to add a small curve going up and then down. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, then the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And we'll line that up on the right side. From the wrist, draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we want to draw 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, curve this down, and bend that up around that bracket. Come down towards the side, add the second finger, going out and then up. And then the third finger, we're just going to blend this into the arm, going up, and pull that in towards the collar. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the first finger, go to the side, add the second finger, and then the third, going all the way around, and then in towards the collar. Let's separate the edge of the wrist from the top of the thumb, bend this up and then out. Step up and draw that again. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the camera woman from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.